Good afternoon, StocksToTrade fans, followers, viewers, subscribers, listeners, or any random person stumbling across this video. My name is Bryce Toohey with SteadyTrade Treats. No coffee today, but a big jug of water. Because if you're not hydrating, you're dehydrating. Always stay hydrated during the trading day. It's a great feeling. You feel a little bit energized. The only downfall is that sometimes you're like, wow, I gotta pee and I'm in the middle of a trade. And that proved true for me yesterday. Oh my gosh, were there opportunities out the wazoo. And that's kind of what I want to talk to you guys about today. More opportunity does not always mean more money. And I can be the first to say, I talked to a lot of traders yesterday, experienced and new alike, that said yesterday was one of the most difficult days they've traded in a while. And I want to talk about a few stocks that kind of showed me, wow, this is a difficult market, right? If you don't know what you're doing, even if you do know what you're doing. SLS, I'm sure you all saw it, went from like $4 on Wednesday up to like 18 yesterday. GLSI went from $5 on, must have been Tuesday, gapped up, went to 160. Like, what? But here's the thing, right? These stocks, they move really well, but they're choppy. They're hard to predict. And GLSI was a little bit cleaner, but I saw a lot of traders talking about it, saying, oh, I missed the entry at 20, and then it went to 120. That would have been such an easy play. Don't think like that. That is FOMO talking. That is what will get you burned, because you see that one runner. I used to do this all the time. You see that one runner and you're like, something else has got to happen, right? Something else is going to rip. And SLS yesterday was like, oh, okay, we have something. This is going to 50. It didn't go to 50. It still squeezed really well, but it was harder to predict. The action was a lot choppier. The promoters, manipulators, whatever you want to call them, they know this. They know that traders are eager to get that next stock that goes to $100. They know when to dump it. They know when to short it. You got to be careful. For me, I'm going to be sizing down actually on these listed plays if I'm going to be going for bigger parts of the move. If I want a quick spike, I'll hit it with normal size, but I'm going to nail and bail. You have to adjust now that these runners are going. To me, that was not easy yesterday. And you need to be thinking the same way if you're a newer trader. Don't go into every trade expecting it to go to 50. If you want that quick move, nail and bail. If you want a bigger move, smaller size, wider risk. In my opinion, I'm not going to tell you how to trade, of course. But you really need to adapt and adjust, because now there's a lot of momentum and you need to be careful with it. We're in a nonsensical market. I think Sykes even called it a very speculative market, where a lot of plays are running based on complete speculation. That's it. There were a lot of tickers moving yesterday related to the Airbnb IPO, like Airbnb wannabes. That was kind of poetic. Airbnb wannabe. But no, the whole point of this is really be careful. This market, just more opportunities, more runners does not always mean more profit if you're not careful, if you're not really, really on top of things. And I don't know if this market's going to continue today and into next week. I have no clue. We are in a very hot time, traditionally, December, January, February. But adjust. This is hotter than we've seen. OTCs are acting a little funky. The market was just not very predictable. So that's all I wanted to say. And guys, by the way, I was actually on Twist yesterday. If you didn't check out that episode, be sure to check it out right away. I gave a little update on my profits, my journey. I actually just crossed $65,000 in profits, which I'm giving myself a little pat on the back for. Preparation, when preparation meets opportunity, it's crazy the exponential growth you can have. So if you're not working hard now, get to work. You have this weekend to start right now. But anyways, yeah, check out that episode. We talked about some of the hotter runners, GLSI, and some of the hotter OTC runners this week. Really great episode. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments, are you going to be adjusting your strategy or your style right now with these hot runners? And if so, let me know how you're doing in the comments below. And guys, I will see you on Monday. So have a fantastic weekend. Take this weekend, study up, and I will see you back here on Monday for your Monday's edition of SteadyTrade Treats. Peace out, everyone.